Well, it's a beautiful morning in Natchez State Park. I'm walking the bean. We're getting packed up and ready to head out to Cypremort Point State Park. So we'll see you when we do that. All right, Beans and I are leaving Natchez State Park. Didn't catch that video, make sure you watch it because it's a really good one. It's probably one of my best. This place has been very surprising and very good to us. So make sure you check out that video. It'll be right here. We're actually taking Natchez Trace Parkway out of here. Not on purpose, I did not say this, but I'm excited that we're going to do it. Very excited. This is the road that I rode my motorcycle on yesterday and on previous days, but mostly yesterday. And it's just a beautiful drive. If you have a motorcycle, if you have a car even, come drive this road. No one's ever on it, it seems anyway. And it's just beautiful. I highly, highly recommend. And you'll see here in a second why I love it so much. Just surrounded by green and these luscious trees, and it's just a nice single lane road, 50 miles an hour. Can't beat it.
She said she wanted funds to bring back her memories of it. She was seated in the sand, doing some kind of meditation. Back at Evans, everyone was left.
Roads here are so bad. Really not looking forward to coming back out here next week. Maybe they'll pave it by then, but the roads getting here have been so bad. They have been absolutely awful. And I think we still have like a mile left on this road. Okay. So, okay. All right. Okay. So as much as I am hating this weather now with the wind that we're getting and how much I complained about the wind yesterday, I'm really glad that it wasn't this bad while we were driving yesterday, because I don't know that we would have been able to drive through it. But apparently the whole East Coast is getting walloped by this windstorm today. I think there's like tornado warnings and stuff other places. It's kind of crazy, but just hunkering down today, I guess. Not really going outside much because just get blown around. But and then tomorrow is going to be really cold, and I think it's going to warm up throughout the week, but I don't know. Hopefully we'll be able to get out and do stuff. All right, let's check out these bathrooms. There's an outdoor shower. Some sink, urinal, stall. Whoops, someone was in there. Anyway, these are like the beach shower, or these are the beach bathrooms. There's a different one that actually has a shower. I'll show you that one in a sec. And let's check out this bathroom. Sink, toilet, and a shower. And it's the only shower in the entire campground. Over here, some laundry. All right, well, this has been a great spot. Can't beat the sunsets here. They are absolutely amazing. The boardwalk offered some great views. The only downside really is the rules. They seem really strict here. And the bathrooms situation being one stall for the entire campground. It's a small campground, but still, it's kind of annoying. But anyway, that's enough fun for one video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like this video, even if you didn't like it. Comment your favorite parts. And until next time, stay excellent.